Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. So Beenie Man I say yo, him a still the reigning king of dancehall. Beenie Man do an interview over 103.5 The Beat Miami, and Beenie Man say yo, there's no way Kartel can be the king and you know defeat me. So Beenie Man say yo, him need a clash from Kartel. Kartel have to beat him to take that the throne there. If him not do that, there's no way Kartel can be king. So Beenie Man ask for a lyrical showdown. You tell me if you agree with Beenie Man or not. The man decides say yo, him nah Lego the crown. So tell me your thoughts on this one.
Talked about Vybz Kartel being the king of dancehall.
I got facts out every day.
So that's a new thing where they're mentioning him as the king of dancehall, new king. But we all know Beenie Man is the original king of the dancehall.
Hey, you see, there's no king without defeat, and I'm still here.
That's a fact.
There we go.
I mean, just the way you came in.
Yeah.
Right off the back, no hesitation.
Yeah.
Just showing the versatility of the lyrics right off the back. So
yes, there's no king without defeat. You gotta defeat me. And yeah, I'm not arguing. If you defeat me, then you defeat me.
So in other news, Spice, you know, queen of the dancehall, was forced to cancel her school tour after church organization says that she's not fit to do a school tour. Tell me your thoughts on this, because me know say if the Grace Foundation did a go round and offer $1 million to every school, me I tell her say yo, the principal and all of them mother, every dean, everybody would have march up and collect that willingly and readily. You see it, but I say you go mama, you will get a fight everywhere you go. You always get a fight though, but you in the comments, just tell me what you think about the whole situation. I think it was unfair for Spice, or should I say Grace Hamilton, you see, because you know she have kids of her own and she's a great mother, so I don't know why them think she couldn't do a tour, a school tour. You get me? So let me know that in the comment section, and remember to subscribe.
I was excited for them and excited for the other schools and what was to come, because you know I have my Grace Hamilton Foundation as well. So I was so happy to go into the school, but unfortunately when I was on the road doing the ONO school tour, I started to get emails of school cancelling and saying they won't be able to do it. So when I start to read into the emails, they're saying that they got calls from TBC, I think it is. TBC is a church or program that is saying that they don't think I am fitting enough to go into the schools. I even have a recording that Apostle Jeffrey, I think Shuttleland or something, was on the program on TBC radio discussing it. Shuttleworth, yes. Oh, you know I am, my friend. Yes. It was so strange to me. But I think his problem is because I took keynote and listened to him. He kept speaking on Spice and my music videos, and I'm going to the schools to show my music video or doing whatever you're speaking about that is happening with Spice, the artist, and these music video. I am going as a grown woman, successful woman, Grace Hamilton, to speak and share and to encourage the kids, you know, to say no to the things that is happening. So I was very confused.